Today we find ourselves in Upcot Crescent in Galmington, just on the edge of Bishop's Hull and Comitro, within a stone's throw of Musgrove Park Hospital. Loads of bus routes going into the town centre, and if you do want to drive, it's only about 5 minutes away. Today we've got a 3-bedroom semi-detached bungalow on level accommodation throughout. No steps going up, it's fantastic access. Internally, everything's built for purpose, mid-height plug sockets, etc. Welcome home. If you are interested in this property or would like me to come and value your home, let me know in the comments, by telephone or by email. Speak to you soon. Thanks so much.